Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Alright, so in today's video we will be talking about NOTCOIN. Alright, and I'm going to be showing you guys the step-by-step process, okay, that you can use to claim your NOTCOIN directly into a cryptocurrency exchange. Alright, you click right here. Now after clicking right there, you're going to see these options right here: exchanges, wallet, and Telegram. Okay, for those of you guys that want to claim into your Telegram wallet, you can use wallet in Telegram. For those of you guys that want to send directly to a cryptocurrency exchange, this is what you should click. All right, now once you click right here, you click on continue. After clicking on continue, you're going to see OKX, Binance, and Bybit. Now it is actually coming to Binance, and it's coming to Bybit and OKX as well. So that is basically what you need to do. Now I'm going to be using Bybit for this video. Okay, you can decide to use Binance as well. All right, so you can see Bybit right here. Now once you tap Bybit, you see, right click on send. Now they'll ask the question, do you have a Bybit account? You need to add your deposit address and memo to receive NOTCOIN. All right, now yes, I have it. All right, now you click on yes, I have it. Now you are going to see deposit address and memo. Write down your deposit address and memo to receive token. Now I'm going to go straight to my Bybit account and I'm going to show you guys what they are talking about. So this is my Bybit account. Click on deposit. Once you click on deposit, you'll be asked to deposit crypto. Deposit crypto, you search for the name of the crypto. I'm going to search for NOTCOIN right here. All right, so this is NOTCOIN. Let me use this. Okay, so right here you can see NOTCOIN right here. Now once you click right here, all right, you're going to see the chain type. Now once you click on turn, you click right there on turn. Okay, you're going to see not deposit address right here. All right, not deposit address and not memo when making deposit. Okay, so you click on OK right here. Now this is the deposit address and this is your memo. You need to input this. So I'm going to copy this deposit address successfully and I'm going to paste it right here, guys. So I'm going to paste it right here and I'm going to go back, copy this memo, guys. It's important that you copy this memo. All right, very important. Copy the memo, very important. Okay, so I've copied that. Now the next thing you do is you come right here and then you paste your memo right here. After pasting your memo, click on this. Now you can see deposit address, memo. You may lose your tokens if this data is incorrect. I copied it correctly and that was what happened. KYC passed only. Exchanges required to verify your identity before trading. Okay, so you make sure you complete your KYC from all these exchanges. You can decide to use Binance, you can decide to use Bybit, you can decide to use OKX. All right, and then you can click right here, looks good. Okay, so you click on looks good and you can see confirm withdrawal of this. Click on I confirm. So after clicking on I confirm, you can see your NOTCOIN will be deposited to your account at the time of listing. Okay, nice, and it's pretty simple and straightforward. So I have actually placed the withdrawal successfully and that is how you do it.